That's beautiful. Absolutely love it. The couple that we have at the end of the stage, one of my favorite couples. We were actually there when you guys got married. I remember the day we first met, Carla. Tony, for those of you who don't know, Tony is a firefighter with the San Diego Firefighter. He's been a firefighter for 20 years, so you can imagine, definitely, that's some honor right there. The stress, right? Firefighters have really crazy schedules. You're not always there. Carla is a mom of 2 young kids. They're both like launching a brand new business. So there's some stress in your marriage. There's some stress in life. This is real. And one of the things that I love about who you are as a couple is you're very mature. You've been married for almost 6 years, and there's some maturity in there that I wish we had at year 6 of our marriage. I'd love for you to share briefly around what are some of the things that you do as a husband and as a wife to make sure that that maturity is always there.
So I'll start. So first and foremost, one of the greatest revelations I had is that your marriage is literally the foundation for everything that you're going to do. It is your number one ministry. If you put that first, you will see that what you hold in your hands that God has entrusted you with will begin to grow and begin to bear fruit. Guard your heart. Guard your thoughts. You know that we are one. When we got married, we became one. And a lot of what is unsaid is still communicated. So if you're holding your spouse in a fence, there is a block there. If something's not flowing, there's a block. And God really taught me, keep your mind and your heart good and free so that your marriage can continue to flow in freedom.
On my heart right now, honestly, because I feel that there's somebody that needs to hear this, is have fun. Have fun. We get so caught up in marriage, like we need to do this for our children, we need to do this for our house, we need to work, we need to grind, we need to do this. Have fun, man. Have fun. Experience joy again. And I feel that there's a couple in here, maybe more than laugh. Laugh. Sit there and laugh. Laugh with each other. Laugh at each other. Yeah. You know what I mean? Seriously, though. You have to do it. You really have to do it. So right now, I want to break somebody off of that. Where there's a lack of joy right now, God wants to restore joy back into your marriage.
Be mindful of the words that you speak over your marriage, over your spouse. Going all the way back to Genesis, God spoke. And everything that we speak, even if it's just in our head and we don't actually allow it to come out of our mouth, has power. So think about the life that you can actually speak into your spouse and over your marriage. And some of you are going to need to change your words because you've been speaking death. This is the Valentine's Day where you start speaking life and love into your marriage.